Let's take a look at this example. Again, we have given angle, we have opposite side to the angle also given, and we have also adjacent side to the given angle. What we're supposed to do first? We're supposed to find the altitude of this triangle because the given angle is acute angle. So if this is acute angle and we're supposed to find the altitude, means we're supposed to consider three solutions. I mean, we can build one triangle from the given data, we can build two triangles, or basically the third one is we can not build any triangle, means there is no solution. So let's take a look what we can do over here. First, we're supposed to draw the altitude to the side which is not given. Side which is not given is side A. That's why I'm going to draw altitude to side A. And this is my H. I'm supposed to find the length of H. Angle C is given. Side B is given. So I can find very easy length of H. Don't forget that this is the right triangle. Okay, so I have sine of angle C is equal H over B. In order to find H, I have to multiply both sides of my formula by B because I want to eliminate fraction. So if H is equal B sine of angle C, where B is equal 18.2 kilometers times sine of 39 degrees. If you are going to plug in these values into the calculator, you're supposed to obtain 11.45 kilometers. Okay, now let's look at the values, or I'm supposed to say the lengths of these two sides and my altitude. So we're supposed to notice that H is less than side B and less than opposite side to the given angle. So I have side C. Okay, now next we're supposed to look at the picture. Okay, so side C is longer than side B. H is shorter than these two sides. So if H is shorter than these two sides, it means that we have solution. Now we're supposed to check how many solutions we are going to have. Please notice that C is greater than B. We have given angle C, and C has to always be 39 degrees, okay, 39 degrees. So we can have only 39 degrees if this side C is going to point down. Because someone is going to say, what will happen if I'm going to take this C and move this up? Okay, please notice that C is longer than B. So if you are going to move side C up, this angle is not going to be anymore 39 degrees. It's going to become obtuse angle. We want to make sure that this is going to be acute angle and it's going to have 39 degrees. So we cannot move side C up. So we're supposed to leave like it is, going down. Okay, so we're supposed to say that we are going to have only one solution. So what we're supposed to do next? We're supposed to simply use the law of sines and calculate angle B. I have C over sine of angle C is equal B over sine of angle B. Please notice that I always start from the given data, okay? So what we're supposed to do is supposed to find angle B. In order to do so, I'm supposed to cross multiply, and I'm going to have C times sine beta or B is equal B sine of angle C. We are looking for angle B. In order to find angle B, I'm supposed to divide both sides of my equation by C. C and C will cancel out. And I'm going to have sine of angle B equals B sine of angle C over C. If you want to find angle B, you're supposed to find the inverse sine and simply have B sine C over C inside of the parentheses. Next, you're supposed to substitute the letters, or supposed to say variables, by the numbers. So I have inverse sine, and I have B equals 18.2 kilometers times sine of angle C, which is equal to 39 degrees, over side C, which is equal to 22.5 kilometers. Okay, so kilometer and kilometer will cancel out. Okay, use the calculator, and you're supposed to obtain the value 0.6 degrees. Okay, this is my angle B. In order to find angle A, you're supposed to remember that the sum of all angles in the triangle is always equal to 180 degrees. So in order to find A, angle A is equal 180 degrees minus angle B and minus angle C, which is equal 180 degrees minus angle B we found is 30.6 degrees minus angle C, which is given, we have 39 degrees, and this is equal 110.4 degrees. This is my angle A. Let's continue. We've found so far angle A and angle B. We have given side C and side B. We're supposed to find side A. In order to find side A, I'm going to use law of sines. So I'm supposed to write A over sine of A is equal C over sine of C. Someone is going to ask, this is your law of sines. Why you use just these two fractions or ratios? Because I'm looking for A. That's why I have to use the one with A. And I'm using C, part because side C is given and angle C is given. I always try to use the values which were always given first. So what I'm supposed to do next? I'm supposed to perform cross multiplication. So I have A sine of angle C is equal C times sine of angle A. In order to find side A, I'm supposed to divide both sides of my equation by sine of angle C. And sine of angle C will cancel out, and I end up with A equals C sine of angle A over sine of angle C. Now we're supposed to substitute the variables by the numbers. So I have A is equal, side C, we have 22.5 kilometers times sine of angle A, which is equal 110.4 degrees over sine of angle C, which is equal 39 degrees. Again, use the calculator and do everything by one shot. You're supposed to get the value 33.51 kilometers. Okay, so we have three angles, we have three sides, and we said that the problem has only one solution. So basically we can say that the problem is solved.